short one. I'm sorry if the wind is kind of loud. You're gonna have to excuse it. Kyle and I are on the bypass, just enjoying the sunset. It's Friday afternoon. I hope you guys had a great week. I'm really excited for the weekend. We have a bunch of fun stuff planned, so make sure you stay tuned for the videos over the next couple days. We just came from In the Mix, which you guys saw. Oh my god, all these cars. Why did I not think about this? Okay, there are lots of cars passing in the background, obviously, because this is the time of day where people are heading home after work. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. Kyle and I just came from In the Mix, where we picked up some cakes. I introduced them to you guys in Kyle's birthday vlog. I mean, the vlog wasn't just about Kyle's birthday, but Kyle's birthday happened in that vlog. If you guys want to see that, I will leave a link up here so that you can go watch it. But yeah, we picked up a few cakes. So we picked up our favorites from the last time, which was Pancha Cuba and Bailey's. And we also got amaretto chocolate. So this one looks really moist and so good, so I'm really excited to get into this one. So I haven't had this one yet, but it looks so good. I guess I'll show you a little close-up of the other ones while I'm at it. And then this is the Bailey's. There we go. Bailey's. The view from up here is really nice. If you're in St. Croix, this is definitely a spot that you should check out when you're driving around. So it's a shortcut from Beeston Hill to Gallows Bay. So you bypass Christiansted. I actually used to come here all the time. When I worked in the office, it was a nice place to kind of get away. It was just a nice place to have lunch with a view. Sometimes it got kind of hot because there's no like covering up here, but there are these nice benches, which I'll show you, and also there's like tables with benches so you can sit down and eat. And yeah, it's just a nice place to come chill out, hang out, and obviously like a nice place to come after work. So that's what Kyle and I are doing, just chilling out here, gonna eat some cake. Kyle is drawing right now, doing some digital drawing. Like I told you guys, he does digital art. Let me show you the view. So over there we have Gallows Bay. Over there, Hotel on the Key. Over there, a bunch of hills heading towards Princess Golden Rock area over there. It's really nice. You can see the fort. I don't know if you can tell where I'm pointing, but that big yellow building over there, that's the fort. Definitely a place to stop by. You have these cool benches thanks to AARP. And then you have these ones that we are sitting at, which has a table, so you can sit down, do whatever you want to do. Back home now. I am starving, so I'm going to make a veggie burger. Adriel is going to Pollo Tropical, so I asked him to get me some fries. I would also like to make some tea. I showed you guys when I got tea as part of my grocery haul, which I'll have linked up here. We got cups, like the K-cups, and we don't have a Keurig. So it's been a very tedious process, because I opened up the box so I didn't want to return it. I've just been cutting off the bottom part of it so I could use it as a tea bag still. So annoying, but I'm gonna make myself some tea with some condensed milk and chill out. Allowed. Cheers, guys. Good luck, guys. Happy Saturday. Kyle and I are in the car. We are, you know what? I did edit last night, and I edited with enough time to upload and get a video up last night, but the video was super short. It was literally like 4 minutes, and I couldn't do that to you guys. So we're continuing the vlog into today. Kyle and I are heading to the airport because my dad sent over a package from St. Thomas for me. I'm gonna go pick that up. Later tonight, we're supposed to be going to a bonfire. I'm gonna take you all along to the bonfire. It's gonna be a really fun time, and I'm excited to just go catch up with some friends. Okay, let's go to the airport. Everyone, I told you guys that we were going to be here. Basically, a bunch of my friends from high school want to hang out. We used to do a lot of bonfires. I love bonfires. They're just a nice chill way to hang out with your friends. They have drinks, maybe some food. We're gonna have a really good time. I'm really excited to just hang out and have a nice chill night. It's Saturday night, and I'm gonna be filming on my phone from here on out. you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.